Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an account on Rednote without a phone number. So, let's get started. First, open your Rednote app on your device. Then here, click to the permissions below and the other login methods. As you can see, you have the two options in order to log into your account. You can select Facebook or Google, but first click the privacy and safety policy in order to continue. To continue the process, just select the interest that you want. You can select as many as you want, and then you can now start exploring. And that's it. That's how you successfully create a Rednote account without a phone number. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.